Hi, this is Jeff Walters with JJWDesign.com. I'm here with SugarCRM, JJWDesign Google Maps Package already installed. This is for SugarCRM. This particular version I've got Community Edition 6.5.14, and I've already logged in. Right here I'm on the home page. I'm going to go ahead and go to the Maps module. I've already installed the Maps module, Google Maps Package. The Maps module is one of those modules that's part of that. Enables you to create all kinds of maps. All kinds of mashups can be created by creating saved maps in this package. What I'm going to go over today though is a slightly different way. It's a quick radius map. You'll notice a link that will show up in your navigation called Quick Radius Map. If we click on that, we'll notice we get a little form. And this small little form allows us to add in an address such as, Orlando, Florida, for example, and map out leads that are nearby Orlando, Florida. And what this was created for is not really to map leads or accounts or contacts, but really to map some sort of custom objects. Custom maps can be included in the Google Maps package. It does require some field additions to each module that's in need of mapping, as well as some custom view files. So if you're wanting to map things such as competitors or supplier locations or distributing points or something like that for your company, and you have a different module that you created custom, they can be added into this functionality. So keep that in mind when we're looking at this demo here. This address can be a full address or it can be a partial address. It is geocoded by the Google geocoding API prior to the display on the map, so you can use pretty much any address you need to here. I chose Orlando, Florida, just because it's easy to write. You could be a lot more specific. Google knows based on my location, my IP address, that Orlando, Florida is probably referencing a United States point inside the state of Florida, in the city of Orlando. So it finds it rather easily. The distance, this default can be configured through the configuration settings found in the admin page. There's a Google Maps configuration. And of course you can map it by miles or kilometers. If we needed to map leads, for example, that were within 250 miles, I could easily create that map very quickly. And this shows the state of Florida, several leads within that 250 mile radius. Now, one of the great things about this particular map is you can then take this map, since it's a radius map, it has a iframe URL. Any of the radius maps or even any of the saved maps, you can take these URLs, copy the link address, and then create a Dashlet on your home page. I'm going to go back to my home page here, go under web, and under website paste in this URL that I just copied. Now you don't need the submit part. I can probably chop that off of there. Submit equals process it. It's just a reference. And then of course add that. Whoops, wrong one. There we go. Add the website URL. Now you'll notice I have a nice map on my home page showing leads within a 250 mile radius of Central Florida or Orlando. So that pretty much covers the majority of the Florida area, at least the Central Florida area. So every time I log in, I can take a quick peek at this map. And let me delete this accidental news feed that I added. And you can even make this more slick now. You can edit the height of this dash. Let's say we want to maybe make it 900. And you'll notice now that not only do we have a map display with a legend that can be toggled on and off via clustering or via the legend types here, but we also have a list view that's shown below it. This is a new functionality, new feature with paginating, which allows you to kind of scroll through and search for particular leads. So for example, say you got a quick phone call or something, you're on your home page and you got a call from who knows, let's pick a name here, Chase Bowen, and you wanted to type that in to pull it up really quickly. You can then type into the search block Chase Bowen, and then of course easily pop open his particular lead view fairly quickly. Then search for or look at more detailed information for that lead. So there's a lot of functionality and features driven into this now. There's a lot of functionality that is to be added in the near future, and hope that gives you an idea. If you need a full listing of the parameters that go into the iframe URL, there is a blog posting now on JJWDesign.com which shows all the parameters which can be used for any of the iframe URLs for the maps. Hope that helps, and good luck with your maps. And if you have any wild ideas or you need any add-ons, feel free to contact me. I'm offering several support services for people that need installation support, configuration, or even customization support for new advanced features. So feel free to contact me with any of that, and have fun with your maps.